My name is Nurhan Syuhada binti Muhammad Rosli. My number matric is H25A5103. Today I want to talk about some executive summary. This report presents the finding of a field visit conducted at Pantai Tapang Resort as part of the course requirement. The purpose of this visit was to gain practical exposure to real-world hospitality operation and to observe how service management, sustainability practice, technology usage, and professional ethics are implemented in a resort environment. And the resort provided valuable insight into the daily operation of the resort and allows students to relate the theoretical knowledge learned in class to actual industry practice. During the field visit, several key operational areas were observed, including front office management, guest service, food and beverage operations, and overall resort management. The staff were observed to be polite, approachable, and responsive to guest needs, which reflects the resort emphasis on customer satisfaction. Basic operational procedures were followed to ensure smooth check-in and check-out process. In terms of sustainability and green practice, Tapang Beach Resort actively incorporates environmentally friendly initiatives into its daily operations. The resort practices responsible waste management by providing rubbish bins at regular intervals within the resort area, encouraging guests and staff to dispose of waste properly. Energy-saving practices such as controlled use of electricity and water are also applied to reduce environmental responsibility, especially as it operates in a natural coastal setting that requires protection and care. A general SWOT analysis indicates that the resort main strength lies in its strategic location near Kota Baru city center and Sultan Ismail Petra Airport, which makes it easily accessible for visitors. Its beachfront setting offers a peaceful and natural environment. The resort also provides family-friendly activities such as ATV riding and horse riding, along with comfortable accommodation and friendly staff. However, weaknesses such as limited online presence and marketing exposure, as it is not widely listed on major online booking platforms.
In our group, we have 5 members, and my name is Sukhariti Moyasir. My matric number is H25A 4860. I want to talk about introduction and field visit. For this assignment, my group and I choose Tapang Beach Resort as our study location. Tapang Beach Resort is located at Pantai Kupang Golok, Pantai Tapang Kupang Golok, Wajak, Kelantan. The Tapang Beach Resort began operating after the movement control order tersebut in 2021. For the duration of Tapang Beach Resort, a period of 6 months is required to carry out site clearing and to construct a prayer hall and public restroom. Tapang Beach Resort originally a coconut plantation, and they recycle the available resources to build huts in order to reduce costs. The founder of the resort is Maiden Nuraini binti Abdul Ghani. She was a retired teacher. She opted for early retirement because she aspired to develop Bachuk. In addition, she often goes on vacation to gain inspiration and new ideas to improve the resort. She findings and observations, we have 5 problems. Number 1 is gas service and front office management. Gas office and front office management play a critical role in customer satisfaction and first impression at Tapang Beach Resort. Front office serve as the primary point of contact for guests, handling reservation and etc. Several challenges affected operation and guest satisfaction, including poor communication between departments, language barriers with guest information, overbooking and etc. Guest interaction skills were a key strength of the front office team. The resort staff members need displays effective communication, attentiveness and problem-solving abilities when responding to guest requests and complaints. Nevertheless, it was noted that continuous training in service recovery and conflict management could further enhance guest satisfaction, especially in high-pressure situations.
Housekeeping and management at Pantai Tapang ensure cleanliness, safety and guest comfort. Cleaning activities are carried out regularly in accordance with standard operating procedures, especially in guest rooms and public areas, while facilities are consistently inspected and maintained. Proper waste management practice also support environmental sustainability, contributing to customer satisfaction and the resort positive image.
My name is Nur Syahira Adina binti Jeffrey and my metric card is H25A4953. Today I would like to talk about technology application in industry hospitality at Tapang Beach Resort. In the hospitality industry, technology plays an important role in improving operation and customer service. Tapang Beach Resort use an online booking system and the Liver system to manage reservation, payments and sales data efficiently. The online booking website allows customers to book rooms easily, choose preference and make full payment, while Livers have track purchase and streamline operation. However, reliance on technology also creates challenges, especially for elderly and less tech-savvy customers due to the lack of manual booking option and slow response on WhatsApp. To overcome this, the resort can provide simple guides or assistance to help guests use digital system. Overall, technology enhance efficiency and service quality at Tapang Beach Resort, but it must be balanced with friendly customer support to ensure guest satisfaction and competitiveness.
For sustainability and green practice, at Tapang Beach Resort, taking care of the environment is just as important as taking care of their guests. The resort has made it part of their daily routine to manage waste and use resources responsibly. For example, they separate dry and wet waste to make recycling easier, instead of throwing away leftover food from the kitchen. This way, not only do they reduce the amount of waste going to landfills, but they also make the resort greener and more sustainable. They even have their own truck to take the waste to proper disposal sites, which help avoid bad smell. Energy saving is another big focus. While they don't have a key card system yet to automatically control electricity in rooms, they also use energy efficient appliances wherever possible. In the future, they plan to install key card system so electricity is only used when a room is occupied, which will save even more energy. The resort management ensures that waste disposal is convenient by placing trash bins every 5,000 meters throughout the resort. Overall, Tapang Beach Resort demonstrates that it only focuses on guest satisfaction but also takes responsibility for the environment through effective waste management, energy and water conservation, employee training on green practice. The resort successfully balanced quality accommodation with environmental sustainability.
Today, I would like to share our field visit experience at the resort. Overall, the resort have a good human resources management. Staff are well trained, and their job roles are clean. This helps them work smoothly, especially during busy hours. Teamwork among staff is strong. Different departments communicate well and help each other to serve guests better. Customer service is also very good. Staff are friendly, polite, and always ready to help. They handle guest requests and problems calmly.
Analysis and discussion. SWOT analysis is an important strategic planning tool used in the hospitality industry to evaluate internal factors, which include strengths, weakness, as well as external factors such as opportunities and threats. This analysis helps hospitality business understand their current position, identify challenges, and plan strategies to achieve a competitive advantage. The following SWOT analysis highlight the overall performance and potential of Tapang Beach Resort. In addition, the resort provides various recreational activities such as ATV ride, horseback riding, and kayaking, which are suitable for families' activities. The scenic beachfront views, especially during sunset, and the calm environment further contribute to guest satisfaction and relaxing. For weakness, despite this range, Tapang Beach Resort faces several weaknesses that may limit its growth. One key issue is its limited online presence and marketing strategy, as the resort relies solely on its official website and does not utilize popular booking platforms such as Agoda or Booking.com. This reduces its visibility to wide market. Another weakness is inconsistent service quality.
Lastly, ethics and professionalism are clearly practiced. Staff treat all guests fairly and respect guest privacy. In conclusion, good teamwork, professionalism, and proper staff management help create a positive guest experience. Thank you.
Conclusion and recommendation. Pantai Tapang is successful, sustainable tourism destination supported by effective management, strict SOP, digital system, and customer-oriented service. Its commitment to sustainability, enhanced operation efficiency, customer satisfaction, and long-term success in the hospitality industry. Recommendation: Pantai Tapang should adopt energy-saving technologies, provide continuous staff training, strengthen digital marketing efforts, and introduce simple eco-friendly activities to enhance visitor engagement and promote sustainable tourism.